अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th क्लास। आज हमें जो एक्टिविटी सॉल्व करनी है वो एडवर्ब से रिलेटेड है। अगर आप अपने बुक्स समर बैक को पेज नंबर 5 पर ओपन करें तो लिखा है शी इज़ सिंगिंग हैप्पीली। एक्चुअली एडवर्ब जो होते हैं वो 3 टाइप के होते हैं, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस और एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम। तो हैप्पीली टेल्स अस दैट हाउ द एक्शन इज एक्चुअली डन, एंड व्हेन some word actually tells us how something is done, then we say it is the adverb of manner. And the very next says outside is an adverb of place, and early is an adverb of time. Just like that, I actively is an adverb of manner, okay. And just like that, the daily is underlined. Daily says that it is the adverb of time. And just like that, you have to solve the rest of them. And if you still have any difficulty, I can tell you orally, you can solve them, or you can even solve them on your own. Often is an adverb of time too. Carelessly is adverb of manner. Nicely is adverb of manner. Tomorrow is adverb of time. Usually is adverb of usually is adverb of time actually. And Hina spent all her money foolishly, adverb of manner. And I look for your glasses everywhere, adverb of place. And my pet horse runs very fast, adverb of manner. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz. And if you still have any questions about this activity, you can leave a message in the WhatsApp group, and I will just get to that.